Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Children, this is the second part of the chapter number 12, Reproduction in Plants. Children, in the first part of the chapter, we had studied about the reproduction, modes of reproduction, and the modes of reproduction are of two types, asexual reproduction and the sexual reproduction. Now we will study about the asexual reproduction in detail. Asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, new plants are obtained without the production of seeds or the spores. Now we will study about the first type of the asexual reproduction, that is the vegetative propagation. Now vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction in which new plants are produced from the roots, stems, leaves and the buds. Since reproduction is through the vegetative parts of the plants, it is known as the vegetative propagation. Children, the roots, stems, leaves and the buds are said to be the vegetative parts of the plants. There are many plants that reproduce vegetatively, such as rose, sugarcane, grapes, potato, onion, garlic, etc. Some plants reproduce vegetatively by the stems by forming tuber, bulbs and rhizomes. Tuber. A potato is a modified stem with buds, which is called as the eyes on its surface. When a cut part of a potato with an eye is planted, it grows into a new plant. Bulbs. These are underground modified stems with thick scales such as onion and tulip. When planted in soil, they grow into new plants. We observe the leaves sprouting out of an onion or tulip in moist, warm conditions. Rhizomes. Rhizomes are the modified underground stems that bear buds that grow horizontally in the soil, which you can see in the turmeric and the ginger. Cactus. Plants such as cacti produce new plants when their parts get detached from the main plant body. Each detached part can grow into a new plant. Vegetative propagation by roots. The roots of some plants such as the sweet potato and the dahlia possess buds. These roots, when planted, grow to develop into a new plant. Vegetative propagation by leaves. Bryophyllum has buds in the margins of the leaves. If a leaf of this plant falls on a moist soil, each bud can grow and give rise to a new plant.